The world produces over 300 million tons of plastic each year. Most of it used once and then thrown away, which is a huge problem for us all because a disposable lifestyle isn't a sustainable lifestyle. There is a better way. Luumi lets you stop using disposable plastics like bags, lids, and straws. At Luumi, we want to unplastic the world with reusable products made of pure platinum silicone. Like glass, platinum silicone is made mostly of sand. But it's flexible, durable, and completely non-toxic. That's because unlike many silicone products, Luumi is filler-free. No BPA, BPS, PVC, phthalates, all chemicals you don't want in your food. Luumi is freezer, oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. It can be used for pretty much anything, over and over again, which means Luumi can replace thousands of disposable plastics. So, you can help save the environment while saving money. Just one Luumi bag can replace 240 plastic sandwich bags in a single school year. And that's just the start of what you can do. We know we're just one solution to a global single-use plastic problem, but small changes can have big impacts. Choose Luumi and help us unplastic the world.